What's going on? Welcome to Tech with Sean, and today I'm totally rebuilding my system around the i9 9900K. Alright, I've got this thing all cleared out. All that's left in here is the fans and the AIO. We're gonna get this all cleaned up. Oh, I guess the RGB strips in there too. We got the drive tray. Here on the back, you can see we have this whole RGB fiasco. So with the Lighting Node Pro, the Corsair Commander Pro, and the built-in wiring stuff for these hardware switches, there's a mess of wires before you even put anything in it. Got the new parts ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean this chassis up and then get the new rig built. All in all, I think this build came together really well. The 460X doesn't have the best cable management room, but I'd built in it before, so I kind of knew what I was getting into. The Gigabyte Master is a great board for overclocking, and it has pretty good aesthetics too. Those 3 M2 slots are going to leave space for easy future expandability as well. Gigabyte's RGB software sucks though, and the BIOS itself isn't as intuitive as something like an Asus board if you ask me. I was able to get the 9900K to 5 GHz using the Corsair H100i Pro. It's a 240mm all-in-one cooler. It took some tweaking, and I'm more used to overclocking with an Asus BIOS, so maybe that was part of the cause, but I was able to get there. I may do a separate video showing the settings I used for the overclock. The XMP profile for the Corsair RAM has been working fine for me. It has some cool RGB effects, but be aware that enabling full software control to unlock the advanced animation does impact your system performance. In my case, when I turned it on, I lost 10% of my Cinebench score. That's nothing to sneeze at. That's a significant impact on your system. I had suspected that I wasn't able to unlock the full potential of the 2080 Ti when I had it hooked up to the 7700K, and I was right. If you look at this footage of Far Cry 5, you'll see that when we had it paired with the 7700K, we were averaging 111 frames per second. But the 9900K crushes it, and we're able to put out over 135 frames on average, with a minimum of over 100. Needless to say, this thing tears through games, so let's take a look at some gameplay footage that I captured. All of these games were run at 1440p and ultra detail. I hope you had fun watching along on this build. I was really happy with the performance as well as the aesthetics of the whole system and how it all came together. If you're interested in any of the parts I used in this build, I'll make sure to put affiliate links for everything down in the description. Alright, well, if you liked this video, give it a like, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.